Okay, good. Yay!
Okay.
Well, we know something's...
Oh,
freaking no!
I can't get back up that way. Should I just do it?
I'm so freaking...
Let's just do it.
Alright, turn your volume down.
I threw my headset at the TV. I think I have realized that I have the habit of like a fight or flight. Like I fight, like
Yeah.
like I just throw shit at the.
Yeah, you threw your... Yeah, that was the second time you've done that.
I think I'm more like gotta. Whew.
Oh my god, you
Okay.
guys. Yeah, Storm screamed. She did scream.
What am I afraid of? I don't like.